Jamie at shopmask.com. Welcome to another Mask Minute. So just got out of the shower and I'm about to do my morning routine. Today I'm going to use a product by NIOD. It's called Superoxide Dismutase Saccharide Mist. It's a mouthful. It sounds like a complicated product, and it kind of is. It's definitely not something that I would recommend to someone as a starting point for a skincare routine. This would be more something that you add on once you have a good basic routine down pat. So what is it? Well, the purpose of the product is to improve the quality of your skin over time. And it does that by reducing oxidative stress, reducing inflammation, and reducing dehydration or improving hydration levels of the skin. So what is superoxide dismutase? Well, superoxide dismutase is it's an ingredient that's derived from yeast. It's very concentrated. It looks like a basic toner, but it's actually got a really high concentration, almost saturation point of superoxide dismutase. And superoxide dismutase is the inflammation fighter, so it helps to reduce UVB-induced inflammation. Also contains a specific molecule from the North American 4 o'clock flower that also helps with inflammation. And then it contains marine saccharides, I think is what they're called, or polygo, or marine exopolysaccharides is what they're called. And these help to improve hydration or reduce dermal loss even in harsh conditions. So it's intended to be used twice a day, AM and PM, after washing, before applying serums and moisturizers. But it can also be used as a mist throughout the day whenever you need it. So if you're looking to up your skincare game, I would definitely suggest checking this product out. There are quite a few reviews on our website for it, so check them out. The product speaks for itself when you read the reviews. 5 out of 5 stars. So it's available on shopmask.com, like I said, and of course if you're in Vancouver too. Thanks for listening.